It's a beautiful day today with you. So nice, guys. So this is my Sunday all about. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys how this kind of throw blanket, how it is in reality. It is so comforting and warm. So it's nice to have during the night. So this one, and it's so soft. So this is a true blanket. So warm and comfy. So that's it, and also it will add beauty in your bedroom if you put or add up on your blanket. So that's it. I'm just showing you the cloth and the quality of this one, just in case you would like to have one like this. So this is nice. Well, anyway, that's it for today.